Yo, first order of the day is a McDonald's. This is $9 going 4.5 miles.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Would you be using the mobile app today?
Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Next order up is a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $12 going 6.5 miles. I was still heading there and they just gave me an add-on order. This is McDonald's, $6 going an extra mile.
Hello, sir. Did you have the DoorDash for Jessica?
No, I had the Uber.
Uber?
Yep.
Does anyone have an Uber? It's gonna be just 1 second. We had given out that order, but this lady came earlier. I think she might have just like stole it or something. I don't know. So we're making it, but it'll be out in a second. Okay, here you go, sir. Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, this would be a meet at door. Why you gotta make me face the person that I made wait an extra 15 minutes because I took another trash order that I had to do before them. Next up is a shop and deliver for Home Depot. This is $16 going 7 miles, only one item. All right, just got here. What are we shopping for? Lattice. I know what that is. Is this gonna fit in my car? Ooh, let's find out.
Nothing else you need, huh?
Nope, just that.
You could roll it up.
Like this way, you mean?
Yeah, roll it this way. Just not too tight, but just enough.
Would that work? Oh, that would work.
And then you could just fit it in the back.
Yeah, that works. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Seize the Bagel, $8 going 3 miles. Looks like they're giving me an add-on order. This is Jack in the Box, $8 going an extra 3 miles. Me when I block 3 parking spots. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $10 going 5 miles. Still on my way to Starbucks and they gave me an add-on. This is $7 going an extra 2 miles.
Okay, that was gonna kill it. Thank you so much.
Got this one right away. It's a Taco Bell, $7 going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Next up is a stack, 2 different restaurants, 2 different customers. We've got El Jefe Birria and Tacos and Seize the Bagel, $18 going 8 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Next up is a McDonald's. This is $8 going 2.5 miles. Looks like they're giving me an add-on. This is Black Rock Coffee, $4 going an extra. Oh, I think it's going to the same person actually. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, welcome right back.
For a mark?
For Mark?
Yes.
Yeah, I can take that.
Okay, I think I'm gonna start heading home now, and if I don't get an order, so be it. Current time is 9:32. Current total is 93, and waiting on a bunch of Uber tips. Pretty much every order besides the Taco Bell today was on Uber, so I'll throw up the actual total whenever those finish coming in. Pretty good day today. Can't really complain, besides getting soaked all morning. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.